Hello viewers and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be covering a very important hiring update from TCS as TCS has recently announced its smart hiring for the year of passing 2020, 2021 and 2022. The registration has already started and the last date for this is 2nd November. So through the course of today's video, I'll be taking you through the eligibility criteria, the important dates, and I'll also be taking you through the registration process for this trial. So let's get started for today's video. And before we start, don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications for all of our upcoming videos. Also, Cantilever Labs is now offering a free course for all of you aspirants with which you can prepare for aptitude, coding, mock interviews, and test series for free and crack top companies' hiring exams like TCS Ninja, TCS NQT, Wipro, Capgemini Cognizant, and many more. So you can access this course through the link mentioned in the description box below. And now we can get started with today's video. Alright, so before starting with the registration process first, let's take a look at the main portal and let's discuss the eligibility criteria, the test pattern, and all the relevant FAQs. So the link to this portal will also be dropped in the description box below. And like I mentioned earlier, the registration date, last day to register is 2nd November and the test would start from 19th November onwards. So don't wait until the last day to register yourself and do this as early as possible. Now speaking about the eligibility criteria, your course or discipline needs to be a BCA, BSc in Maths, Statistics, Physics, Chemistry, Electronics, Biochemistry, CS or IT, or a BVOC in CS or IT. And like I mentioned earlier, your year of passing needs to be 2020, 2021, or 2022. And if you get selected through the Smart Hiring Drive, you will get the opportunity to join TCS Ignite. So we will also be sharing the salary package towards the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And talking about the specific test eligibility for this, we've already covered the course and discipline. Now for the percentage, students need to have a CGPA or a percentage of at least 5 or 50% above in your academics throughout in your 10th, 12th and all of your above mentioned graduation streams. And only for the year of passing of 2022 are you allowed to have one active backlog, which you also have to clear within the stipulated time. And for the year of passing of 2021 and 2020, you should have no active backlogs or no pending backlogs. Now, for a gap or a break year, you need to disclose all of these details in the application process, and your overall gap year should not exceed 2 years. And talking about the test pattern now, in total, you will have three sections: verbal, reasoning, and numerical ability with 24, 30, and 26 questions respectively. And this is the time duration that you will get. And we have a free TCS NQT course, like I mentioned earlier. So that link is also in the description box below. And you can check that course out and you can prepare for this drive accordingly with the help of those resources. Now for FAQs, you can go through all of these, and in case your doubts aren't cleared, you can drop your doubts in the comment section below, or you can also contact them through the helpline desk numbers provided here. So now this was all for the eligibility criteria, the test pattern, and all the details. Now moving on to the registration process. So you need to click on register now. Now, for those of you who already have an account, you can directly click on login. But for the ones who don't, you can click on register now, go to IT, and you can fill in all of your relevant details here. And once you do this, your account will be created and you will get a reference ID. After successful submission of the form, you will be landing on this page. And once you click on continue, you will have to enter your password which you have set during registration. On doing that, you will be landing here. And all the people who already had their account created already will also be in the same form now. Now you need to click on application form. And on doing this, you will land here. Now you need to click on start filling the form. And once you click here, you will be landing on this page where you have to enter all of your personal details correctly. After entering all the details correctly, you can click on save and continue, and you will be landing here. Here, fill in all of your academic details correctly and click on save and continue. Once you do this, you will be directed to this page, and you will have to have your profile photo, and you will also have to have your resume ready for this particular stage. So once it's done, click on the application preview, and this is what you will be displayed. If all the fields are filled in correctly, then there will be 4 green ticks here. And if there are any errors anywhere, then you can go back and fill in the correct details. So make sure that all of the 4 ticks are above all the fields. And feel free to rewind this video and make sure to go through all of these details correctly. Once you do this, once you are done with this, you will be directed here and you will be asked to choose whether you want to apply for the TCS recruitment drive. So here click on yes, and this is what your registration page should look like at this point. So after applying, it will display that you have applied for the recruitment drive. So now you need to track your application. You need to click on track your application, and once you do this, this is what the page will show. So if all the dates are displayed correctly and it shows that you have applied for the drive, that means your application has been received, and you have successfully registered for this drive. So guys, now that was all for the registration process. Moving on to the bonus part, as mentioned earlier, TCS does not disclose the salary package, but the salary structure approximately for TCS Ignite would be close to 2 lakhs per annum. So that would be the CTC. And now this was all for the TCS off-campus drive for the batches of 2020, 2021 and 2022. We hope that this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Instagram and Discord for such similar updates. Kindly let us know through the comment section below as to what topics you want us to make our next videos on, and we will be happy to do that. We've come up with a 20-day strategy for TCS Ninja and NQT, and the link for those videos would be mentioned in the description box below. So make sure to check out those videos as well to help you in your preparation for this time. Kindly follow us on our job portal to get latest notifications for all job updates, as we update our job portal with 100 plus fresh job updates every single day. So to keep yourself updated with all such opportunities, make sure to follow us on our job portal, and the link to our website will also be mentioned in the description box below. We will be coming up with more such content soon, and until then, thank you for watching.